Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about subject science standard 5 lesson 4 science in everyday in life. Book back answers. First Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First one, blue appearance of the sky is due to dash of light. Right answer is scattering. Second one, who is known as Missile Man of India? Right answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Third one, an example for reversible change is, right answer is melting of ice. Fourth one, chemical reactions are example for, right answer is irreversible change. Fifth one, which of the following is not an organic waste? Right answer is battery. Next, fill in the blanks. First one, the book Wings of Free was written by dash. Answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Second one, a stretched rubber band comes back to normal shape. It is an example for dash. Answer is reversible. Third one, most of the physical changes are dash changes. Answer is reversible changes. Fourth one, newspaper is a dash waste. Answer is recyclable. Fifth one, waste from house and apartments are called dash waste. Household waste. Third Roman letter, match the following. Bud to flower. Correct answer, irreversible change. Second one, reversible change. Right answer, melting of ice. Third one, India 2020. Right answer is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Fourth one, paper. Right answer is recyclable waste. Fifth one, vegetables. Right answer is organic waste. Next, circle the odd one. First one, melting, freezing, boiling, cooking. The odd one is cooking. Second one, boiling, burning, cooking, rusting of iron. Odd one is boiling. Third one, vegetables, flowers, fruits, chemicals. Odd one is chemicals. Fourth one, paper, glass, metals, paints. The odd one is paper. Next, answer briefly. First one, sky appears blue in color. Why? Answer is sunlight is scattered by the gases and particles present in the air. The white light we see in composed of different colors such as violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. Among these colors, blue is scattered more. Because of this reason, sky appears blue most of the time. Second one, what is reversible change? Answer is changes which can be reversed are called reversible changes. Third one, differentiate reversible and irreversible changes. Answer, reversible changes. First point, a substance can turn to its original state. Second point, the chemical properties of the substance do not change. Third point, most of the physical changes are reversible. Next, irreversible change. First point, a substance cannot change to its original state. Second point, the chemical properties of the substance will change. Third point, all chemical changes are irreversible. Next, fourth, what are the different types of waste? Answer is organic waste, toxic waste, recyclable waste, solid waste, and e-waste. Fifth, write a note on e-waste. Answer is e-waste. Computer parts, electronic materials, cell phone parts, CFL bulbs. 40 million tons of electronic waste is generated every year worldwide. E-waste comprise 70% of our overall toxic waste. Sixth one, name the scientist from Tamil Nadu. First one, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. Second one, Srinivasa Ramanujam. Third, Venkatraman Radhakrishnan. Fourth, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Fifth, Sir C.V. Raman. Answer in detail. First one, write about different household waste. Answer is organic waste. Kitchen waste, vegetables, flowers, leaves, and fruits. Toxic waste, old medicines, paints, chemicals, bulbs, spray cans, fertilizers, pesticide containers, batteries, and shoe polish. Recyclable waste, paper, glass, metals, and plastics. Solid waste, cloth soiled with blood and other body fluids. E-waste, computer parts, electronic materials, cell phone parts, CLF bulbs. Next, second one, explain the need for waste disposal. Answer, to control pollution. Various pollutions like water pollution, air pollution, and soil pollution can be avoided. Next, to conserve natural resources. Waste disposal is important for the conservation of our environmental resources like forest, minerals, and water. Third point, to control spread of diseases. Spread of infectious diseases can be controlled. Fourth point, recycle for future use. Waste can be recycled to get products for further use. Third one, how can you reduce waste in your school environment? Point number 1, use reusable and recyclable bags and containers. Avoid one-time use items and use items which can be used permanently. Segregate waste into biodegradable and non-biodegradable items and hand over them to the municipal and corporation people who collect them. Do not throw away your waste everywhere. Put them in dustbins and dispose them properly. Don't waste food. Waste food in schools can be collected and used to feed cattle. Organic waste can be converted into manures. Thank you, students. Please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.